సాంకేతిక డిజిటల్ మరియు అనలిటిక్స్ మద్దతు అందించడానికి భారతదేశంలో బిజినెస్ సర్వీసెస్ సెంటర్ ప్రారంభించిన చబ్ హైదరాబాద్ బెంగళూరులో ఏర్పాటు చేయనున్న చబ్ బిజినెస్ సర్వీసెస్ ఇండియాలో సాంకేతిక నిపుణులను నియమించుకోనుంది. ఇంటెలిజెంట్ ప్రాసెస్ ఆటోమేషన్, డిజిటల్ టెక్నాలజీ, డేటా అనలిటిక్స్, కటాస్ట్రాఫ్ మోడలింగ్, రిస్క్ మేనేజ్మెంట్లో మద్దతు అందించనున్నారు. ఈ కేంద్రం 100కు పైగా స్థానాలతో కార్యకలాపాలను ప్రారంభిస్తోంది. ఈ కేంద్రాలు ఇప్పటికే జెర్సీ సిటీ, న్యూ జెర్సీ, మియామి, ఫ్లోరిడా మరియు సింగపూర్లలో ఉన్న చబ్ డిజిటల్ సెంటర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్సలెన్స్ ఫర్ బిజినెస్ అండ్ ఇన్నోవేషన్కు అనుబంధంగా ఉన్నాయి. ప్రపంచంలో అతిపెద్ద గౌరవమైన ప్రాపర్టీ మరియు క్యాజువాలిటీ బీమా కంపెనీలకు ఇవి అత్యంత ప్రభావవంతమైన ఉద్యోగాలు. నూతన కేంద్ర ప్రారంభంతో పాటుగా టీ హబ్తో సైతం కలిసి పనిచేయనున్నట్టు చబ్ వెల్లడించారు. చబ్ బిజినెస్ సర్వీస్ ఇండియా తన సమావేశం బంజారాహిల్స్లోని పార్క్ హైత్ హోటల్లో నిర్వహించారు.
Thank you, Malik. In addition to the launch of new center, Chubb is also announcing that it will be working with T-Hub, an India-based public-private partnership involving the government of Telangana, three of India's premier academic institutions, and key private sector leaders. Together, Chubb and T-Hub will work on solving business challenges through rapid innovation and market development. T-Hub is also the India's fastest growing startup engine, catalyzing everything from innovating to scale requirements and deal flow. T-Hub currently stands as one of the largest startup ecosystem builders in India with
fabulous talent, and they're going to be great people for us to work with. So we're very excited. We've spent time thinking about this and who we're going to partner with, and believe both Tetrasoft and we're focused here solely on providing business services.
Hello here. Do you have any plans to enter into the product segment in India?
మంచిగా సకాలంలో సాఫ్ట్వేరు సొల్యూషన్స్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ తయారు చేసే అవకాశం వస్తుంది. సో ఈ దృష్టితో వాళ్ళు భారతదేశంలో హైదరాబాద్లో వాళ్ళ ముఖ్యమైన సెంటర్ మరియు బెంగళూరులో కూడా ఒక సబ్సిడియరీ సెంటర్ వాళ్ళు ప్రారంభిస్తున్నారు. అండ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ రంగంలో మన అందరికీ తెలుసు టెక్నాలజీ వాడుకోవడం చాలా ఎక్కువగా చాలా భారీ స్థాయిలో ఉంటుంది. అండ్ చబ్ సెంటర్లో ఒక విశిష్టత ఏముంది అంటే కొత్త టెక్నాలజీస్ లైక్ ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్, మషీన్ లెర్నింగ్, బిగ్ డేటా ఇట్లాంటి కొత్త టెక్నాలజీస్ వాడుకోవడం ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. సో మొదటి దశలో వాళ్ళు ఒక 100 మంది ప్రొఫెషనల్స్తో ఈ సెంటర్ని ప్రారంభిస్తున్నారు. కానీ భవిష్యత్తులో తొందరలోనే ఈ సంఖ్యని ఇంకా భారీ స్థాయిలో పెంచే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. సో ప్రభుత్వ తరఫున ఈ చబ్ని వాళ్ళ హైదరాబాద్లో కొత్త టెక్నాలజీ సెంటర్ ప్రారంభించినందుకు వారికి ప్రభుత్వ తరఫున నా హార్దిక కృతజ్ఞత తెలియపరుస్తున్నాను. సో హైదరాబాద్లో గత చాలా సంవత్సరాల నుంచి ఈ బ్యాంకింగ్ కంపెనీస్, ఫైనాన్షియల్ సర్వీస్ కంపెనీస్, ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కంపెనీస్ వాళ్ళ కార్యక్రమాలు ముమ్మరంగా చేస్తూ ఉన్నాయి. గత 2-3 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి ఫిన్టెక్కి కూడా మన దేశంలో చాలా ప్రాధాన్యత వచ్చింది. మన అందరికీ తెలుసు 2 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం ఈ డిమానిటైజేషన్ లాంటి కార్యక్రమం చేయడం వలన ఈ డిజిటల్ పేమెంట్స్ కావచ్చు, డిజిటల్ లావాదేవీలు కావచ్చు.
Senior representatives from press and media, invitees, it's a matter of great honor and privilege to be present today when one of the largest, in fact the biggest property and casualty insurance company of the world, Chubb, is announcing the opening of its Technology Development Center, its GCC, here in Hyderabad. Over the last few years, Hyderabad has been extremely successful in attracting the world's who's who to set up their GCCs here, and to have Chubb add to this landscape is absolutely wonderful news for us. I'm very confident that though you are starting small with about 50 people to begin with and plans to raise this number to 100 and a few hundreds, but eventually I'm very, very confident that you will find the value proposition of Hyderabad to be so compelling that you will start giving more and more business to this center. And I'm also very confident that you will value the contribution this center is making to your innovation, to your new product development, to your agility, and the strong reputation of being one of the best insurers of the world. So we look forward to your continued growth and business development here from Hyderabad. I would also like to share with you that again in the last 15 years or so, Hyderabad has become a very important sector, a very important center for the BFSI industry. And of late, since fintech has become very important, this has become a very important fintech center as well. In fact, it's a very nice coincidence that you are starting your operations today, because in a matter of few days, on the 17th to be precise, we are launching what is called the Hyderabad FinTech Forum. And we would like Chubb to be not just a member of that forum, but a very active player, which actually brings some of the global best practices to that forum and enriches the Hyderabad ecosystem. InsurTech is, of course, one part of fintech, where again, Hyderabad has lots of promise, because the national insurance regulator, of this country is called IRDA, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, that is headquartered here. And very recently, the Reserve Bank of India, which is like the Fed of the US, have given permissions to the IRDA to start a regulatory sandbox on InsurTech. So we are actually collaborating, T-Hub specifically is collaborating with IRDA to
The power of data, mobility, and cloud-based business platforms. They offer excellent academic and industry collaborations, which is a valuable asset in this work. Tetrasoft will help Chubb to source talent from the local marketplace, universities, and engineering institutions, something that is critically important for Chubb. Similarly, we are pleased to announce Bridge Eye to Eye as another key partner in this effort. Bridge Eye to Eye brings advanced analytics, proprietary artificial intelligence, machine learning expertise to support both customer experience and efforts in operational effectiveness. In addition to working with Tetrasoft and Bridge Eye to Eye, there are other important connections we are leveraging here in India. Joining us to talk about that are Monique Shivanandan and Shekhar Panala. Thank you.
My name is Monique Shivanandan, and I'm the Global Chief Information Officer for Chubb. Another important quality about Chubb is our desire to give back to the community in which we do business. Chubb believes in supporting education to build an equal society, and will be interested in supporting organizations in India like Pratham, Teach for India, and Ashray Akruti, working toward quality education in the country. Our commitment is to help build future leaders from India's best universities and workplaces to serve as full-time teachers to children from low-income communities and under-resourced schools. Through this experience of teaching in classrooms and working with key education stakeholders, fellows get exposed to grassroots realities of India's education.
The honor of, leading Chubb's global operations and technology functions across the globe. In my role leading operations with my colleagues, we're responsible for extending in motion the endless capabilities that help people work better together at Chubb, as well as the business capabilities and the technology solutions that help our business grow and have made the business what it is today. It's a really important part of our business. As Sean says, as we become much more digitally enabled and our operating model becomes more digitized, technology skills, analytic skills, and the skills needed to help the company with those opportunities are front and center of our priorities. Digital technology is enabling things to be done efficiently and effectively more than ever before. As you all know, businesses are seeking and are winning in the marketplace based on their digitization strategies. Operationalizing these capabilities doesn't just happen, though. We need to have in place smart people, talented people who understand what we're trying to do, who can be part of our culture, and who can also bring the skills needed and can work with us to bring these capabilities to life. The talent we hire here in India will be a very, very important complement as Sean said, to the teams we already have in place and the technology capabilities and innovation that have been established in other regions of the world. As mentioned in the video, we do business in 54 countries. We're a global multinational company. Technology talent based around the world is an important strategic imperative for us and an important strategic differentiator for who and how we bring products to marketplace. Hyderabad and Bangalore have exceptional technical talent and provide us with an extended ability and to hire technical professionals in an increasingly competitive environment. We are excited to work with our local partners to build a pipeline of professionals who have critical skills and can drive innovation. These are high-impact jobs for one of the world's largest and most respected property and casualty insurance companies. The people we attract will have an opportunity to do exciting, innovative work. Staffing in the new jobs created in our center will be sourced locally in partnership with local technology companies, academic institutions, and others to build a strong pipeline for talent and innovation.
Such a unique model enables investors and corporate entities to plan programs and capacity building initiatives in a targeted and organized manner. This is why we are so pleased to be working with T-Hub and many talented people they bring together to our ecosystem. This concludes our official remarks. Hopefully you've been able to see with today's news that we have come here with employment opportunities, a vision.
So good morning, and thank you, Shekhar, for that overview and introduction. I serve as the Chief Digital Officer and Chief Risk Officer for Chubb, and for the last few years, I've been helping lead our efforts at the company to set things in motion as we compete in the digital age. As most of you know, from everything that you do day to day, in terms of how you live and where you shop, digital experience is all important, and that digital experience needs to be compelling, and insurance is no different. And to bring this to life within our organization, we're seeking the help of team members and locations around the world to really help us in these efforts. And as you saw in the video, our business is large. It's vast. We do anything from a simple